Down by the green bushes of bonny Woodgreen, where me and my true love so oft times have been. As the days they rolled onward, so happy were we. But never she thought that a soldier I'd be. It was early next morning as the lambs they did play. 'Twas off to Kel's barracks I there made my way, to enlist in the army and fight for my king. And I bid my farewell to bonny Woodgreen. Our ship at Larne Harbour sat ready to sail, where mothers were weeping and sisters looked pale. There was singing and dancing, all happy and gay, but little they thought on the lads far away. It was way out in Flanders at the back of the line. They were talking of sweethearts they all left behind, when one Irish soldier says, I have a queen, and she works in John Ross's of bonny Woodgreen. It was early one morning while facing the foe. A shot from the enemy, this young man laid low. He called for his comrades, it was a sad scene. Say goodbye to my Nellie and bonny Woodgreen. So if ever to Ulster you chance for to stray, there's a neat little factory near Ballymacfay, where there's weavers and winders all rosy and clean, and they all wear white aprons in bonny Woodgreen. Bonny Woodgreen, bonny Woodgreen, say goodbye to my Nellie and bonny